Ever wonder what awakens a sleeping giant? In our world of endless geological wonders, volcanoes stand out as both creators and harbingers of raw energy. Today we journey into the Earth's depths to explore two faces of these incredible natural phenomena: active and inactive volcanoes. Active volcanoes are nature's dynamic storytellers. They announce their presence with subtle ground shifts and seismic tremors that hint at restless power deep within. Billowing gas emissions and gentle deformations invite us to witness a living process that may erupt at any moment. Each tremor is a message from the Earth itself, urging us to appreciate the constant balance between creation and eruption. In contrast, inactive volcanoes lie in quiet dignity. Though they no longer express the fierce energy of their active cousins, these ancient giants hold rich histories within their layered rock. Their stillness is not a void but a testament to past eruptions and transformations over millennia. They remind us that even in silence, the geological record speaks volumes about the forces that have shaped our planet. So, what happens during a volcanic eruption? Deep beneath the crust, intense heat forces magma upward, setting the stage for a dramatic climax. As pressure builds, dissolved gases expand until nothing can hold them back. Magma bursts forth as lava, a fluid fire that can either flow serenely over landscapes or explode explosively. Towering ash clouds rise into the sky, influencing weather and air travel, while pyroclastic surges, a turbulent mix of gas, ash and rock, dash over the landscape, bearing witness to nature's overwhelming might. This dynamic interplay between the vibrant, ever-changing energy of active volcanoes and the silent historical record of inactive ones fuels our curiosity about Earth's inner workings. Each burst of activity and every dormant peak offers a lesson in the balance of nature, a balance that is as instructive as it is awe-inspiring. Remember, every tremor and every ancient ridge tells a story of our planet's enduring vitality. Let your curiosity guide you closer to the mysteries of geology. Explore further and unlock more secrets of Earth science today.